Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV down in Turlock, California. Today I'm presenting to you, it's the most desired Bunk fifth wheel. What is behind me is a brand new 2026 Forest River Arctic Wolf 287 bunkhouse. Now let me go over the features because they make this unit in multiple ways. 287, they give you on the 26, they give you a bigger cab versus the 25. So as you see, there's a big gel coated cab with a nice blue LED light in the front. It has the Rhino Kempin box, a huge power awning with LED light, and as you see, the awning cover majority of the unit. 200-watt solar panel on the roof. So this is what they call the juice pack. Pass-through storage, as you see here, there's a full pass-through storage, very roomy with LED light. TV hookup, so I could put a TV here if I were to choose. Latch for dogs, cats, bicycles, you name it. This is the 287 bunkhouse. It has the nice gel-coated fiberglass, as you see, aluminum frame as well, aluminum rims. I like the rims, the black and the aluminum. Nice outdoor kitchen where they give you the stove, the fridge for beers, waters, sodas, you name it. And then you have beautiful grill and a little bit far from the unit. Another huge storage outside, so if you have a lot of kids with toys, storage, picnic tables, lounge chairs, you name it, you have a room. Endless hot water heater, the Suburban one. So that's the beauty about this unit. In the back, as you see, is very clean. They give you the towing hitch, as well a backup camera prep in the back, very roomy. And then you have the 50 amp power cord, 110, auto leveling jack, as you see right there. This is the big slide with a big window reflecting where's the sofa and the U-shaped dinette right there. This is other side of the storage, and you could see it's a big storage and it's a big pass-through storage. One-piece docking stations where your outside shower, hot and cold, city water connection, black tank flush, all this right here. And then here's the controller for the auto leveling. It's amazing. And then you have two 20-pound tanks, one on each side. And over here you have the big storage with the spare tires and solar panel controllers and the battery. Let's go inside and see the 287BH because the feature they provided, it's amazing. Beside the glass door, two things me personally I like about this unit. It has the big U-shaped dinette, as you see. On the 26, they give you a nice sofa and with an ottoman, so you could see I could lift my feet on it. Also, this ottoman, it could use seating. So if I decide to sit more people on it, voila, I'm sitting on an ottoman. Also, it gives you opportunity to store things on this ottoman from the stuff inside. So you could see that amazing things which you could do. Another advantage is the TV. You could watch it straight from this sofa, as well the dinette is on a swing arm, so I could swing it a little bit more so I could see more of you. But you could see the roomy this unit and the privacy, because if you cameraman make a full circle in this unit, you will see no one could see what's in the back. And they never realize in the back of this room you have a full privacy with two people. I mean, look how big the bunk. I mean, two people sleep here, two sleep people right there, 300-pound total weight, no issue. And then you have a huge storage from inside, and then the other half is the outdoor kitchen and the outside storage. Big closets. Look how all closet, big closet, 3 windows in this room, 1, 2, 3. And then you have a big location to put your 32-inch TV for the kids. So when they lay down, they could watch a movie. And then you could say, kids, go to your room. And that's the beauty about this unit. Now, after we jump to the bunk room, we're going to talk about the living room. The nice thing about the U-shaped dinette, it gives you opportunity to seat more people. And as you notice on this unit, the dinette is bigger. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy 5 to 6 people. Also, if you want to sit more people, more kids, and have a good time on a family, voila. So I could sit and socialize with my kids and my wife and enjoy a meal. Arctic Wolf always they supported. If you notice, let me just move it. They always support their unit with the big doors. Big storage. Facing that U-shaped dinette with the big windows, you have a beautiful kitchen complete. Country sink. All this for rinsing, cup rinsing, high-rise faucet, solid service, a nice prep area for coffee maker, toasters, tinsel doors, place for trash can right there. Big residential 3-burner range oven and stove and oven, cooking pan tray, nice microwave, a lot of cabinet, a lot of storage, and there's even more and even more. So you know, the people, they say you open too many cabinets, but just to emphasize to you, you have plenty of room for your cooking pan, tinsels, and silverware, and your cereals. You could use this as a pantry. But if you don't want to use this as a pantry, this floor plan come, even sit on it, ladies. Pantry, come with the unit. Voila, I could stand in it. You could hang some coats if you want to walk in, coat hangers. You could use it as a pantry if you want to put your cereals and so on, or whatever you want to add. Whatever you want to take with you, you have plenty of room here. So don't worry about the kitchen. We talk about the TV and the entertainment centers. Remote control for the fireplace, you name it. They give you a central vac. That's a nice touch. So you bring the dirt, you open it and suck it inside. Another coat hanger. This is a really nice touch, so it does not look like a plain wall. USB plug for phone, cell phone, you name it. Now let's walk to the room. Beautiful 60 by 80 queen bed. I love that extra touch. This is brand new for 26. The touch there, they put place to put your, so when you go at night watching Best RV channel on Facebook or YouTube and you're done, you put the phone right there. Very contemporary, modern, clean lightings on this side. Plug for CPAP machines and place to put it in. If you breathe at night, if you have machine when you go to bed. Plenty room here. What we call it, place to benches. There's 2 benches to change, to dress up your shoes or storage, or I could use it as a room for exchange my clothes. During the daytime, you could keep it like that, nothing gonna hurt. More shelf, more closets, more doors, more socks, underwears, place for shoes. You could put your 32-inch TV right here. 2 ACs. That's very important on a 287. So 2 ACs, auto leveling, power awning, and then I love this click. Beautiful mirrors with LED lights, nice sink, prepping area, a porcelain toilet, and voila. So this is another advantage on the 287. And again, it's a half-ton towable. So if you have one of those half-ton towable truck, they pull 11,000. That's a perfect unit. That's a perfect for half-ton towable truck. All beautiful features, and again, we supported at Best RV with the price. I don't know how to say it. I don't like to say it, but this is apparently is the other competitors. God bless them. Let them sell the way they don't. That's their business, not my business. They cannot compete with our prices. That's a fact, and that's what our job, to make sure the other dealers cannot compete with our prices, and give you a price no one could match. In California, you want Indiana price? We do. We have East Coast prices too. We sell for low price. Why? Not because we cut our corners. No, we actually do phenomenal job in our PDI. We do phenomenal job in our walkthrough. We do phenomenal job on a free get ready package. We assure you no hidden fees. Again, no hidden fees. A lot of dealers, they charge fees. I do not. Sale price, tax, license, that's it. And the other competitor, they cannot get to our price, they start talking bad about us. And they start poisoning our customers. Say, hey, they will not do this, will not. Please put me through the test. Please come in and let me show you the unit. Let me prove for you no hidden fees. Let me save your hard working money for you. You work hard for your money. I work hard for my money, and as well you as the customers. Come to Best RV and let me show you how I could save you money. If they cannot compete, that does not mean we're bad guys. It just we work on a low margin and we live in volume, and that's how we establish Best RV. We save you money. We want you happy. We want a happy customers. We want to give you a good service before and after the sales. We're here after the sales for you. And that's why we're working hard every day against the manufacturer for your benefit. We work hard with the manufacturer, say, no, I want better price, so I could save this money and put it in your pocket. So come to Best RV, see this beautiful 287 Arctic Wolf, and enjoy it. I mean, it's very beautiful. From a big fridge, as you see here, from the big fridge to a nice TV, fireplace, full privacy bunk room, 2 ACs, auto leveling, power awning, outdoor kitchen, all this. And for a price what we're asking, it's almost giveaway. Come to Best RV.